a whole lawsuit. Now, if every single personal injury trust had a complete schedule of injuries, and it was just a matter of noting what that schedule said, that might go under typical judicial notice. But if there's not a consensus or an actual recognition that there's that type of schedule, I think it's very difficult to expect that court to take judicial notice of that of a value. And I've also noted in testimony that that's really that section is a compound sentence, and the second part of it is it's a little unclear if they're how they're going to be. On the one hand, they're taking judicial notice, and then in the second part, they're setting an attributed value. Those are, we have some concerns about how that's drafted and whether that will work, how that will work in practice. So we wanted to just bring those to the committee's attention, and we're happy to work with the committee and the authors.
No, I'm glad you ran it over here. We'll look at it. Senator Risser and I heard it, and so did everybody else in the room. So,
great, appreciate it.
Senator Risser?
Yeah, I just want one question. Thank you so much for your presentation. I'm not going to get into any arguments, but I have a question. When you say the court takes judicial notice of what the reasonable amount of the claim is, does that mean the court could tell the jury that figure?
I'm not quite sure how that would work exactly, but as I understand the process, the personal injury trust often have an actual schedule of how much a particular of values. I might be wrong about that.
My question is that when the court takes judicial notice, does that mean the court gives that information to the jury?
That's my understanding. So the judicial notice is sometimes taken weather on a particular day in the past, what time sunrise was, what time sunset was, in order to determine the lighting conditions, for instance, of an accident. There would be things that in certain government documents they can take judicial notice of. There's in the chapter on judicial notice, there's a listing of some typical things that are where the court can take judicial notice. Nothing quite like this, though, in the list of examples that are there. So I think that this is going to cause some real issues, and I'm not quite sure exactly how it works out in the trial, but I could endeavor to find that out.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Thank you much. Okay. Now, representing AFL-CIO, Mike Sheridan. Mike around here? Oh, there he is.